Hey everyone, talking about Cockatiel by Zoologist. I already did a review of this on my channel, but it ended up being full bottle worthy for me, so I thought I'd do an unboxing for anyone who's interested. I don't care that much about unboxing videos when I watch them from other people for like some fragrance houses, because it's just kind of like, okay, like a little cardboard box and whatever, but the way that Zoologist does things is not like other fragrance houses. It's just so, just impeccable quality, everything from the scent, the concept, the packaging, clearly. I rarely find scents to be full bottle worthy for me. Even when I really like or even love them, I need to have like a visceral reaction to a scent for it to be full bottle worthy. And something like this also just gave me this sense of nostalgia and just so unique and wonder. And it's not for everybody, but I love it. So the notes in this are on top champagne, raspberry, and rhubarb. In the mid, acacia, powdery notes, and cashmeran. And in the base, gaiac, patchouli, vanilla, and musk. But, I won't go too much into the review. I'll link in the description where you can find my full review of it. But I will say the patchouli note is not super strong here. If you're worried about that, I'm not a patchouli fan, and that doesn't bother me here. Got the box. Nice stuff as always. I've got some info about on the back of it, and then you've got the notes, the information on the perfumer. This just feels so like high quality and sturdy. Beautiful. It feels like I won a trophy or something. And I purposefully got the regular edition. Oh, just look at that. That is so nice. Really, really high quality. This does not feel cheap at all. There was the deluxe edition, which is like yellow and stuff, but I just like the look of the regular one better, and I feel like I usually tend to. For Cow, I did the same thing, and I bought this directly from Zoologist. I recommend buying directly from them if you can, because then more of the money goes to them, and they're a really great brand to support. Shout out to Victor Wong. Yep, I was so excited for this to get here. They also throw in, usually, other free Zoologist samples and stuff, and those can be pricey sometimes, so pretty good deal. And also they're the only one as of right now when I'm filming this that also sells the regular version. Other places like Lucky Scent, Ministry of Scent, all the other places that are selling Cockatiel so far are mainly, they are only having that deluxe special edition. So if you like the look of the regular bottle better, get it directly from Zoologist. It'll probably be at least a month before it's anyplace else. Oh, just so good. Yeah, everything about this, sturdy, nice quality cap, great atomizers. Those are definitely some of the best. Nice bottle shape, just looks really classy. And it would be so easy to make this look babyish or something if you think about fragrance, that's based on different animals, and it has a picture of the animal on the cover. This could so easily end up looking like something just really cheap and kind of immature, even if still fun or something. But I feel like they do such a good job of keeping that really fun vibe, but also making it feel classy and not something that you have to feel doesn't go with your other fragrance stuff on display if it's a bunch of niche stuff like this. Oh, I just love this. Yeah, so the scent, again, I'll link to my full review in the description, which I go much more in depth in it. And but the scent basically opens up. There's definitely some sort of pungent, sharp green thing, and it doesn't seem like it's just rhubarb. I don't know what else it would be though. So maybe that is kind of what it is in the opening. That takes a little getting used to, but it reminds me of the smell of some plants you might smell when hiking or something like that. And then it dries down to this really nice, soft, woodsy vanilla. And that sounds really common, like a dime a dozen, but the way it's done here is so nice. My wife was like, "Are you wearing by the fireplace?" Granted, she's not that into fragrance, so it's not I don't think most people would think that this smells like that, but it just kind of goes to show that it has a very welcoming, nice, sweet dry down, but that still has some guts to it or whatever. It's not just again, some babyish scent or something like that. Yeah, I love this so much, and I'm happy to add it to my collection. The other two Zoologist scents that I own are Cow and Tyrannosaurus Rex. Love all the ones I've tried in terms of from a creative, unique standpoint, everything like that, but these three are full bottle worthy for me, straight up. And again, I'm not saying that will be for you, but I do highly recommend sampling it, and I recommend sampling just anything by Zoologist that you can get your hands on. So fun. And yeah, just really nice, everything about the design. Even the packing slip had this on the bottom, which is so cool, all the different Zoologist animals. handwritten note from Victor Wong, the founder of Zoologist. Awesome. So yeah, so happy that Zoologist exists. They just like really bring so much fun and also nostalgia and just great smells to the fragrance world. So if you have tried this, let me know what you think. And again, I will link in the description where you can see the full review that I did of the scent.